Hey everybody, so we are going to do some keto subscription box unboxing. That was a long word, phrase, title, whatever it is. Okay, so I got my keto box and my keto crate in the mail. Yes, I said I was going to discontinue the keto box. I think I'm going to discontinue both of them. Stuff, I'm not using it. I hear cars, like big cars. I don't know what the heck's wrong with this thing. Is this a trick? Okay, so we're gonna open up the keto box first. We'll take out the little cards so we don't. So, plastic chili and salt fried pork rinds from brand 4505. Then some flavor infused peanuts from Baja Taco. They're in the, that's the flavor. They're from Pazoots. There's a Nui peanut butter cookie. It is, let's see, 2 cookies. This is in a serving. It is, it says it's 4 net carbs. I'm not buying it. It's more than that. Then we have some truffle almonds, gourmet truffle almonds from Sunbiotics. There's a lot of little delicious stuff in here. Then there's a Hello Water infused with mixed berry. It is got 0 net carbs, 5 grams of fiber in it. There's nothing has tripped my trigger yet. Then we have chocolate hazelnut syrup from Nextella. Then we have seaweed. Oof. And then we have a mix for coconuts energy bite mix. So, and then I have spaghetti shaped skinny pasta. I forget what they make this out of. It's made from konjac. It's a plant native to Japan that has been used there for hundreds of years. We harvest the konjac roots to create noodles in different shapes. Contains fiber and absorbs water to help feel full. So, yeah. I have some other noodle type things. Nothing is tripping my trigger in this whole box. Ugh. I keep dropping my box cutter. But luckily I have a few friends that do keto as well, and they're more adventurous than I am. You know, maybe why I got bored with keto, but I don't like do the bars and all the gimmicky stuff. I mean, there have been a couple of things I have found that are very delicious and, you know, all that, but all in all, no, not today. So I'll pass this to my buddies at work. Just need to leave it sitting here because it's too warm to put in the car. Alright, so we'll open up our keto crate. Normally the keto crate's a little bit better. You'll have some things, but some months it's the same stuff. Okay. So they have these Zesty Nacho protein chips. I'm sorry, my lid wants to keep staying open. Then they have just the cheese mini Wisconsin cheddar. I love these little things. But, you know, you don't have to have a big box to get those. Then we've got some bacon and jerky, gravy sticks, which we love those. Tangy Ranch seasoned almonds. I'd probably like those. So far, so good. Then we had Fat Snacks chocolate chip cookies. Yep, that's me. Chubby Wubby Bumpkin. Ugh. Sorry. Then there's a grain-free mix to make hamburger buns. I can't get it out. It's from Real Bread. And then there's a pickle in here. A dill pickle. I never think to buy dill pickles. I don't know why. But we'll put that in my fridge. Because every now and then, a cold dill pickle, just slice it up and eat it like chips, is delicious. And there's a little tea. It's a lime and ginger flavored tea. And then we have a bottle of something. Another barbecue sauce. So this is Alterna Sweets barbecue sauce, sweet and smoky. So we'll hang on to this. So this box was pretty good. We will hang on to this box. I'll pass the other box to my girlfriends. And yeah, people will be happy. Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy, right? Okay. Alright guys, those are my keto crates for the month. Keto box for the month. Keto subscription for the month. I really am. I'm gonna... I could have sworn I canceled the keto box, but we're gonna go and try and cancel it again. And just stick with the keto crate because I seem to like that one much better. And actually get some good things. And there's some good snacks in here for my husband because he likes to snack in the evening. And some of this stuff I'll pick up and munch on. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Good luck. And to all of you that are on a keto journey, it is a very difficult thing to do. And yeah, you inspire me to keep pushing forward. So anyways, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys later.